Hi, and welcome to StepUp AT's device demonstration videos. Today, we will be featuring the GoTalk Select from Attainment Company. The GoTalk Select is one example of a small, wearable, and rechargeable augmentative and alternative communication, or AAC device, which can support a child with their communication needs throughout the day.
I got it.
Ma. Go ahead, Ma.
It features 4 message buttons that allows you to store up to 3 levels, giving users a total of 12 recorded messages that can be easily customized to fit everyday needs. It's compact and portable as it can fit right in the palm of your hand or clips conveniently to a lanyard for on-the-go communication. Recording messages is quick and simple.
Eat. Eat.
You can personalize it with your own voice to make it familiar to the child, or use a peer's voice for a more authentic option. The GoTalk Select includes built-in volume control and a rechargeable battery and symbol overlays to help users navigate their messages visually. Durable, lightweight, and user-friendly, the GoTalk Select is ideal for classrooms, home, or anywhere in the community, as users need to have a voice wherever they go. Let's see the GoTalk Select in action in a preschool classroom.
Good morning, everyone. So for circle time today, you get to help me make some choices.
The teacher holds up the GoTalk Select so students can see it.
I'm using my GoTalk Select to help us decide what we will read and sing today. Which song should we sing today?
The teacher shows picture symbols of the song choices on the GoTalk Select.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star?
Yeah.
Wheels on the bus? 5 little monkeys? Or the 3 little pigs?
The teacher first picks a model student to make a choice using the GoTalk Select.
Ariel, what do you want to sing today?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star?
Then, she offers the same option to the intended student.
Anna, what about you? What do you want to sing today?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Wow, so both of you want to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Let's all sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Then, the teacher presses the green button to switch to the second level on the GoTalk Select.
Great singing, everyone. Now we're going to choose which book we're going to read. Should we read Brown Bear, 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, or Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes? What should we read?
This time, she offers the GoTalk Select directly to the intended student.
Anna, what do you want to read? Brown Bear, Hungry Caterpillar, Pete the Cat, or The Little Monkeys?
Pete the cat.
Good job. You want to read Pete the Cat? Let's do it. I love my white shoes.
As you just saw, a communication tool like the GoTalk Select can be easily integrated into daily classroom routines and activities. The teacher uses a fun and engaging group activity to introduce the device, encouraging the student to make choices in a natural setting. She also involves other students, regardless of their communication needs, in using the GoTalk Select. This approach demonstrates that it is a tool anyone can use, not something that sets certain students apart. As a student begins using the GoTalk Select during everyday activities to express preferences and participate in decision-making, they start to recognize it as a meaningful way to communicate with both teachers and peers.
Anna, thank you so much for using your voice today and telling me what you wanted to do.
Now, let's see how a student can use the GoTalk Select as a dedicated communication tool during a transition activity and while interacting with both teachers and peers.
All right, Maria, it's time to go outside to the playground. Let's get your GoTalk Select so you can tell teachers what you need. Wow. Here we have playground, open, play, need a break.
Outside.
I heard you, Maria, outside. I see a door.
She presses open to request to her teacher to open the door.
Open.
I hear open. coming.
I heard you. Let's open the door. Open the door.
She then approaches a peer who she wants to play with.
Play.
Let's go play.
After a while, she walks over to her teacher and asks for a break.
What do you need?
I need a break.
Good job telling me you need a break. Why don't you go sit down until you can get a break?
Later on, she looks around and presses a different button.
Play.
You're all done with your break. You can go play.
Here, you can see the child can express needs, make choices, and interact with others using the GoTalk Select. Its portability and customizable messages make it an ideal tool for supporting communication across settings from classroom to recess and more. The GoTalk Select is an easy way to support students with communication needs by giving them a clear and consistent way to express themselves throughout the school day, helping students participate more fully in classroom activities and engage with peers and teachers. By enabling direct, simple communication, the GoTalk Select fosters independence and builds confidence for a more responsive learning environment for all students. For more information on using augmentative and alternative communication tools and strategies, click the links below and check out our other videos highlighting AAC at school and at home. Thank you for watching.